Happy morning students. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter Algebra. Dear children, take your third chapter note and start writing. In previous class, 2 questions I gave homework, isn't it? Have you completed your homework? Take your homework. Exercise 3.4. 12th sum. Simplify. First one, 2a plus 3b plus 4c into 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square minus 6ab minus 12bc minus 8ca. Okay. Then this is of the form a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay. This formula is, what expansion is this one? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay. Here instead of a, what is the given? 2a. Isn't it? Instead of b, 3b is there. Instead of c, 4c is there. Isn't it? So we have to substitute this value here. Okay. Have to simplify. Okay. This product. Then we have to simplify this. Simplify like this. Okay. Then here 2a. Okay. A is 2a. And then a cube place we have to substitute 2a the whole cube plus 3b the whole cube plus 4c the whole cube minus 3 into a is 2a, b is 3b, then c is 4c. Okay. Then take the cube. 2 cube is 8 into a cube plus 3 cube is 27 b cube plus 4 cube is 64 c square minus this 3 into 2 into 3 into 4. What's the value? 72 a b c. Okay. Next, 13th sum. By using the identities, evaluate the following. First one, a is 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube. Here, instead of a, what is given? 7, isn't it? Then b is minus 10, c is 3. Okay. We know if a plus b plus c is equal to 0 means, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to, what's the formula? 3abc. Okay. 3abc. So first we have to check a plus b plus c. Shall we check? Then a plus b plus c is equal to this 7 minus 10 plus 3. Then 7 plus 3 is 10, isn't it? 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Equal to 0 we got, isn't it? Therefore we can write what? Write the question. Okay. And equal to, then this is a cube plus b cube plus c cube form. Okay. Then equal to, then 3 into, here we have to substitute 3 into 7 is 7 into b is minus 10, c is 3. Okay. This 4 values multiply, then we will get this answer minus 630. You got it? Very good. Today we are going to say exercise 3.4, 13th question, second subdivision. Okay. That same model, but here fraction given. So I am giving. Okay. By using identity, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. 1 plus 1 by 8 minus 27 divided by 8. Isn't it? Minus 27 divided by 8. Have you understood? Then here we know, what we know? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0 means, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to what? 3abc. Otherwise, x plus y plus z is equal to 0 means, then here x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Like that also you can do. Okay. And then here shall we check? Here these 3 values we have to substitute, add it, If we get 0 means then we can use this formula. Okay. Then here it's a plus b plus c is equal to, instead of a what is given? Before itself we have to write here a is what is given? Here a is equal to 1. Okay. B is equal to what is given? This one we can written as 1 plus 1 by 8 is given, isn't it? Then 1 plus then here how we can, when we can substitute this formula? A cube plus b cube plus c cube. That form is, then we can use this, isn't it? Then 1 cube means what? 1, isn't it? 1 cube. This one we can written as 1 cube. Plus, and this one, 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8, isn't it? Then shall we write like this? 1 by 2 the whole cube. Okay. Then minus 27 we can written as what? 3 divided by, here 8, 2 we can write the whole cube. Shall we write like this? This is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube form. Okay. Then from here a is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 by 2. C is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Here we have to substitute. Okay, substitute a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 by 2 and c is equal to 3 by 2. Shall we substitute here? Here c is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, minus also here given. Minus 3 by 2. Okay, then shall we substitute 1 plus 1 by 2 then minus 3 by 2. Shall we take the LCM? It's LCM, 2 is the LCM, isn't it? Then here denominator nothing is there, 1. How many ones are in 2? 2, isn't it? That 2 we have to multiply. 1 into 2 is 2. Okay. Then here denominator 2 is there. How many 2's are in 2? 1, isn't it? That 1 we have to multiply there. 1 into 1 is what? 1. Now how many 2's are in 2? 1, isn't it? That 1 we have to multiply here. 3 into 1 is what? 3. Minus 3. Then equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 3. Divided by 2. Then equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is equal to what? 0. A plus B plus C is equal to 0 we got. Isn't it? Then we can use which formula? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay. Here a cube plus b cube plus c cube, what is given here? 1 plus 1 by 8 minus 27 divided by 8. Isn't it? This one only we are written like this. Okay. A cube plus b cube plus c cube form. Okay. Shall we write the question? 1 plus 1 by 8 minus 27 divided by 8 is equal to, we can use this formula, isn't it? 3 into A is 1 and B is 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 2. Okay, and equal to, here 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3, isn't it? Then 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Minus 9 divided by 2 2's are 4. Okay, did you get the answer? Any doubt? Okay. 14th question. If 2x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Is equal to what? 0. Isn't it? Then find 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 64 z cube. Find this value we have to find. Okay. Then shall we write the question here? 8x cube minus 27y cube then minus 64z cube. This one we have to bring the cube form. Okay. Then 8 we can written as what? 2 cube. Shall we write? Then 2x the whole cube. Shall we write like this? 2x the whole cube. Then minus, that minus you write it. Then this 27 we can written as 3 cube, isn't it? Then 3y the whole cube minus 64 we can written as what? 4 cube, isn't it? 4, here z is there. 4z the whole cube. Okay, 4z the whole cube. Then here one condition is given. If what? 2x minus 3y minus 4z is equal to suppose 0. Okay, this is 0 means then we can written as what? Then 8x cube minus 27y cube then minus 64z cube is equal to what? 3 into ABC, isn't it? That formula. Then we have to use that formula. 3 into, instead of A what is given? Instead of A, here 2x is there, isn't it? 2x. Instead of y and B what is given? Minus 3y. Instead of C what is there? Minus 4z. Then equal to 3 into 2 is what? 6, isn't it? 6 into 2 is 18. 18 into 4 is 72, isn't it? 72 x y z. Here minus is there, isn't it? Minus into minus is what? Plus. Okay. Then previous formula only. Here also previous formula you know, isn't it? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0 means then we can written as what? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 into abc. Here directly given. Okay. 2x minus 3y minus 4z is equal to what is given? 0 is given. So directly we did become these steps. Okay, we are using this step. Have you understood? Suppose this 0 is not given means first we have to check. Then a plus b plus c is equal to 0 we have to check. But here what is given? This is 0 is given. Given, in that case what's the answer? Okay, find the value of this one. Have you understood? 72 xy z is the answer. Okay. In exercise 3.4 we have completed. Next heading is factorization. Next we are going to say factorization. Okay. Then do you know factorization? What is meant by factorization? Factorization is the reverse of multiplication. Factorization is the reverse of what? Multiplication. Okay. Then for example 3 and 5 is there. Okay. 3 and 5. Then multiply these two. Okay. 3 and 5. If you multiply these two means then product is what's the value we will get? 15 we will get. Isn't it? 3 5s are 15. Isn't it? Then suppose here factorize this 15. Okay. Factorize this 15. Then we get two factors. Okay. This 15 we have to factorize. Okay. Two factors we will get. Then what are the factors? Can you say? 3 and 5 are the factors. Isn't it? 3 and 5 are the factors. Okay. 3 into 5. Then we can written as what? we get the factors. We get, then what are the factors? What are the factors we will get? 2 and 5. Okay, 2 and 5 are the factors. Okay, then here multiply, suppose we will multiply this x plus 2 into x plus 3, x plus 3. This 2 if you multiply, what's the product we will get? Say x into x is x square plus x into 3 is 3x plus 2 into x is 2x plus 6, isn't it? Then 2 into 3 is 6. Then x cube, x square, like term we can add. Okay, 5x plus 6. Okay, then this 2 product, what's the polynomial we got? X square plus 5x or plus 6 is the product. Okay, this 2 product is this one. Okay, suppose then here x square plus 5x plus 6, suppose you know. Okay, this is given. Then we have to find the factors. These 2 factors, what are the factors? What is meant by factor? The process of converting the given higher degree polynomial. This is the higher degree polynomial, isn't it? This higher degree polynomial as the product of factors of its lower degree. Okay, this one as the product of the factors. Product of the factors of its lowest degree, which cannot be further factorized, is called the factorization. Okay, then afterwards we cannot factorize. Okay, then here what degree, higher degree is given. Okay, this degree we have to convert into the what product of 2 factors. This one product of 2 factors are, what are the factors? X plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, this is the lowest power. Okay, this 2 product is what? This polynomial. Have you understood? Like this only they will give. Factorize x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to, you find out the factors. What are the factors here? X plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, then shall we check another one question? Here suppose x plus 3 and x plus 5. Okay, then if we will get what? X plus, suppose one quadratic equation I am giving. Okay, simply I am giving one example. Then for example x square plus 8x plus 15. Okay, then equal to, this is the quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. Okay, this quadratic polynomial, from here we have to find out the 2 factors. Okay, then how we can find? Here x square coefficient is 1, isn't it? This 1 and 15 we have to multiply. This 1 and 15 we have to multiply. What we will get? 15. Okay, product is 15. Sum is 8. Sum is this 8. Then what are the numbers we will get? Sum 8 we need. Then product is 15. Then shall we check? 3 into 5 is then 15 we will get, isn't it? 3 into 5 is 15. This to add it, sum we need 8. Did you get 8? 3 plus 5 is 8, isn't it? 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, here what are the factors? 3 and 5 are the factors. So we can written as what? X plus 3 into x plus 5 are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Have you understood? Then our what definition is what? The process of converting the given higher degree polynomial. This is the higher degree polynomial. Okay, and then as the product of 2 lower degree lower degree. Okay, factors of its lower degree. Okay, these two product only we will get this. It is higher degree polynomial. Have you understood? Then which cannot be further factorized. Okay, that is called what? Factorization. Afterwards we cannot factorize. Any doubt? Then shall we do the problem? Any doubt? These two are the factors. Okay, these two, a product of these two factors, then we will get the higher degree polynomial. Okay. Then two important ways of factorizations are given. Okay, two important ways. Okay, suppose here AB plus AD. Okay, AB plus AD is given. Okay, this one we can return is what here, how many terms are there, this is one term, this is another term. Okay, then we have to convert into the factorization form. Okay, factorized form. How we can convert, how we can find, then here which is common you check it, which is common here, A is common. Okay, remaining what, here B, isn't it, plus A already we took outside. Okay, plus D. Okay, this is this is the factorization form. Okay, factorized form. Any doubt? This is one method. Okay, common factor we have to take outside, then we have to find out the factor. Okay, then another method is by grouping form. Okay, grouping, by grouping, then how we can find out the what factorized form. Suppose here A plus B minus QA minus QB. Simply I am giving. Okay, like this one, what polynomial is given. Okay, we have to find out the factors. How we can find? Here we have no problem. Common is there. Common we took outside, isn't it? That is one method. Here A plus B minus QA minus QB is given. Okay, in that case, first two term you should take it. A plus B. Here what is given? A plus B. That A plus any common? Here one is common we can take, isn't it? A one is common. Here B also one is common. Okay, then here how we can write? One common we can take outside, the A plus B. Okay, then here these two these two compare it. Okay, these two term which is common here, then minus Q is common, isn't it? Minus Q I took outside, remaining what? A. Here A is there, then afterwards here minus also, minus we took outside, isn't it? Remaining plus B. Okay, if you multiply this side means minus QA, then minus QB. Any doubt? Here then, here two terms are there. Then 1 into A plus B minus Q into A plus B. Here which is common? A plus B is common, isn't it? So we have to take A plus B is common, then into, here remaining one is there, isn't it? 1 minus this Q. Any doubt? Here A plus B into 1 minus Q are the factors. Okay, this is another method. Okay, like this two methods are given. Here suppose common method directly, this one directly we can take outside, common given. So common you should take outside, find the factors. Okay, this is what grouping. Okay, and then group form is given, then we have to find out the factors. Okay. Next, example 3.24, factorize the following. First one, AM plus BM plus CM. Second one, AQ minus A square B. Then third one, 5A minus 10B minus 4BC plus 2AC. Then fourth one, X plus Y minus 1 minus XY. Okay. Then here first one is solution. Here am, what is given? Am plus bm plus cm. So first method we can use, isn't it? Then common factors. The common factors we have to take outside, which is common here. M is there. Here m is there, isn't it? So m common we can take outside. Okay. Then m common we have to take outside. And then what is the remaining, say? Here a plus b plus c. Okay. This is the factorized form. Okay. Factored form. Any doubt? Then second one. Then a cube minus what? A square b. Okay. A cube minus a square b. Here you see, here a cube is there. A cube we can write as what? A square into a. Shall we write? A square into a. Then minus a square b. Okay. Here you see, this is one term, this is another term, which is common. A square is common, isn't it? A square is common. Remaining a minus b. Remaining a minus a square we took outside, isn't it? So what we will get? A minus b. Okay, this is the factored form. Okay, this is the factored form. Factored. This is the factored form. Okay. Then third one. Here 5a. So question 5a plus 10b minus 4bc then plus 2ac. This is the second model. Okay, second form. Here what is given, which is first two term we have to take. Okay, 5a minus 10b. Okay, here which is common we have to take outside. Here 5. Here what is given, and then 10 is there, isn't it? Then 1 5 we can take outside. Shall we do? Then 5 we can take outside. Remaining a is there minus 5 2s are what? 10, isn't it? 5 already we took outside. Then remaining 2 is there, isn't it? 2b. Then next 2 term we should take it. Here which is common. Here first itself we need what? A, isn't it? So shall we interchange? This term we have to bring here. This one we have to bring here. Then what we will get? 2ac minus 4bc minus 4bc. Okay. Then equal to 5a minus 2b. Then here this two term compare it. Okay, which is common here? B, C is there, isn't it? Then 2 is common. Then plus 2 common we have to take outside. C also both term given, isn't it? C also common we can take outside. Remaining you say? Remaining 2C we took outside, isn't it? Remaining A is there. That A write it. Okay. From here 2 2s are what? 4, isn't it? 2 2s are 4. Then this minus we have to write. Now 1 2 we took outside. Then 2. C also we took outside, isn't it? Then remaining B is there. Okay. Now you select it. This is one term. This is another term. Here which is common? A minus 2b. Here A minus 2b. Both also A minus 2b common, isn't it? That common we have to take outside. A minus 2b. Then into remaining what? 5. That 5 plus 2c. 5 plus 2c. Okay. A minus 2b. Okay. Then plus remaining 5 plus 2c. This A minus 2b we took outside common. Then remaining 5 plus 2c. These are the two factors. Okay. Factors of this polynomial. Have you understood? Then fourth one what is given? The fourth subdivision, x plus y minus 1 minus xy. Okay. Equal to, here how we can find, you say? Here x plus y. Then we cannot take any common, isn't it? So, shall we compare this to x minus 1? First we have to arrange this one. X minus 1 we can take. Then value it won't change. Okay. Then I wrote here x minus 1. Remaining one y. Then minus xy. Okay. Here which is common? Here which is common? Then x minus 1. This 2 which is common, 1 is common, isn't it? That 1 we have to take common outside, remaining x minus 1. Okay? This 2 take it, which is common here? Y is common, isn't it? Y minus xy is there. Here which is common? Then y is common, isn't it? Plus y into 1 minus, if you take y outside means here 1 is there. Y into 1 is y, isn't it? Minus y we took outside, remaining x is there. Okay? Here this is one term, this one another term. Suppose here any common is there, x minus 1, here also x minus 1 is there, means then the common we can take outside. Clear? So, we have to change this sign. Okay? This x first we have to bring, then minus 1. Then next we have to bring. Then how we can write? Suppose here a minus b is equal to minus into b minus a. Like this we can write. Minus b. This minus b. Minus into minus is plus. Plus a. Okay. This a minus b we can written as minus b minus a. Okay. Then with the help of this one, then we can find here. Okay. Here 1 into x minus 1. Then here plus y, isn't it? Plus y. Here plus y is there. Okay. But a minus b, that means 1 minus x. Okay. 1 minus x is equal to, then how we can bring x minus 1? Minus 1 minus we have to multiply. Okay. Minus what? B. B means second term, isn't it? Okay. This x minus this 1. Now shall we check? This is equal to minus x. Here minus x. Minus into minus is plus. Okay. Then 1 minus x only we can written as like this. Okay. Then here also here we have to use this form. Okay. Here minus, that minus we have to write here. Minus this y into, okay, y into, instead of 1 minus x, what? X minus 1 we have to write. Any doubt? And then anyway minus into x is what? Minus x. Minus into minus is plus 1. Then it won't change, okay. So minus common we took outside. Then we written like this. Y means here x minus 1 is there. In the factorization method, then 2 term also, there any one term common is there. There means then we can take outside. Okay, here x minus 1, but here 1 minus x. So minus common we took outside. That's the difference. Okay. Then equal to, now we can write. Here x minus 1 is there. Here also x minus 1 is there. Then which is common? X minus 1 is common. X minus 1. Remaining you say x minus 1 common if you take outside means here 1 is there, isn't it? 1. Then x minus 1 common we took outside, then remaining minus y. Any doubt? These are the factors of this given polynomial. Okay? Any doubt? Have you understood? First you check it. Factor is very important. Okay, next year also. Then often you want to use this factorization. Often you want to use. Okay, so be careful, don't omit. this factorization method. Okay, here which is common you take outside and you find out this is the factorized form. Okay, from here also common we took outside, but here group form is given, means by group method, then two term you should take it and common you take outside and factors you find out. Okay, and 2 factors we will get. Any doubt? Here also like that. Are clear? Shall I give one question homework for you? Then exercise 3.5, first one homework. Okay, first one 2 subdivisions are given. Okay, both also try to do. Okay, this is your homework. Have you understood exercise 3.5? First one 2 subdivision. Here what is given means a2 square is a2a square is common, we can take outside, remaining you write it. Okay, then second one also like that only, common you should take outside, then 2 factors you find out. Okay, try to do. Then if you have any doubt, you can call me in the doubt clearing session. Okay, done. Thank you students. Have a nice day.